Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool I'm right here, and basically what this is a pillowcase. And this is not like a regular pillowcase. This one is actually a cooling pillowcase. So what that means is the material that they use on here is temperature regulated, and it definitely has like the moisture wicking option on here as well to keep you cool and dry throughout the day when you guys are using the pillow option on here, which is pretty cool. And we see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so you can see when we actually open up, this is basically actually looks like inside. So you can definitely see the pillowcase inside right there, but let's take it out. Alright, so once you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So when you guys purchase this product right here, it comes in 2 packs. So you can see we have 2 of them right here, and we got the aqua blue color. They do have a lot of other color options available, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And they also have this available in different sizes as well. The one that we got right here is a standard size, but they do have it available for like queen size or king size pillow as well. So both of these are the same thing. Let me just show you guys what one of them looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is basically actually looks like right here. Right off the bat, when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material that they use on here. They mentioned the material that they use on here is a cooling bamboo material. So not only are you guys getting that cooling effect on here, but definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it feels super soft and very silky as well. And definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it's skin friendly as well. And when you guys look at the inside right here, they do have the envelope design inside right here. So that way when you guys put your pillow inside right here, you guys can slip it inside. You don't have to worry about it falling off as easy. And for these pillowcase right here, you can definitely store on the machine to wash it and dry it. But you should definitely use it on the lowest setting so you don't have to worry about damaging the product. And also for these pillows right here, they are breathable, so you don't have to worry about any sweat or whatever staying on here, which is pretty nice. Let me actually throw in the machine to wash it and dry it first before we actually set it up to show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we just finished washing the pillowcase right here. So what you're going to do is slip in your pillow, and we got this pillow that's from the Bedsure brand that we finished washing as well. So basically you just want to slip it inside right here like this. And once you guys have it inside right here, you can basically put your pillow inside the envelope design right here. So that way you actually keep it secure inside. And you don't have to worry about the pillow falling out, which is pretty cool. So once you guys fully install it, this is basically what the product looks like right here. And this is basically what the pillow looks like once you guys fully install it right here. And here's what it looks like on the other side right here. But definitely once you guys start using the product right here, it feels really nice. You can definitely feel that cooling effect on here like instantly, and actually feels really nice and really soft. You can definitely feel like that soft texture on here as well, which is pretty nice. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. Definitely looks pretty nice, actually feels pretty nice as well. So now this a quick test, I probably definitely see that actually does work, and it should work quite well. Super easy to actually watch and install the product if you didn't see. I definitely love the fact of how they provide you guys 2 of these, so that way you guys have a backup one just in case if you guys have like a twin size bed. But if you guys have a queen size or king size, then it won't really matter because you guys need 2 pillows anyway for yourself and a significant other, or maybe just for yourself in general. But definitely once you guys set up the product, you can definitely feel the quality on here feels super nice, especially with that cooling bamboo material that they use on here to give you guys that cooling effect, which is super useful during like the hotter days like summertime or whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this pillowcase right here, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys are trying to look for a high quality pillowcase that give you guys that cooling effect to keep you guys cool during like the warmer days or hotter days, or even like during the summer days, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.